Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking Vinegar 101 and we're talking about red wine vinegar, which is something that's very common and something that a lot of us are very familiar with. It's obviously made from red wine and it's fermented and aged in wooden barrels usually. It has a strong flavor and it blends well with hearty dishes. It's often used in French and Mediterranean cuisines, and if you notice the acidity, it's actually a little less acidic than distilled vinegars or cider or apple cider vinegars as well. Best uses for red wine vinegar, it's great in salad dressings and stews and sauces, marinades, and also including it with cooked meat and fish, believe it or not. Now, if you have food sensitivities, red wine vinegar is naturally gluten-free, so there's not an issue there. But like other vinegars, especially those that are made from grapes and fermented from wines, the red wine vinegar will have naturally occurring sulfites in there. Usually, well, some brands may also have added sulfites as well. Our bodies react to these differently, whether they're naturally occurring or added. So if you have allergy problems with sulfites, you need to read the label very, very carefully and see if it has added sulfites in there. If it does not and has naturally occurring sulfites, hopefully that will not present a problem to you, and so that you can enjoy your red wine vinegar. If you have any questions or comments about this, let me know. I'll help you if I possibly can. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.